Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font type on your Android phone. Go to your settings, scroll down and select display and brightness. Scroll down and select font. Currently, the font type or my type of font is set to Roboto. So if you want to change it, you can change it to Oppo Sans or One Sans. So if you want more option, tap on more here and it will load out more font that's available for your phone. So currently you can see selected collection. You can tap here to expand more. So here are the selected collection here. So you can choose which one you want. You can as well go back and also check under font here. So I can click this one right here. This one that said Right Night Hello. So I can click here. And don't forget that most of these fonts are free. So take some few seconds for it to be installed in your phone and apply. So the font has been applied successfully. Let's go back to our phone. Let's open the app. So as you can see the new font, if you go to the settings page or maybe your message page, you will now see the font very well. Let's go to the settings page. So you can see our new font right here. So that's how to change the font type in your Android phone. If the video helped you, please support the video with a like and also kindly support the channel with a subscription. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I post a new video like this. I'll see you in my next video.